Hello there, Mike is here from Mike's Online Biz Insights, and today I will be talking about a platform called SchoolSolver.com. The question you might be asking is SchoolSolver legit? Can you make money with SchoolSolver as a tutor? Well, we will be answering the question, but let me tell you right away that the probability that you will make money with this platform is pretty low, and I will show you why. Well, first of all, the SchoolSolver is a platform that is supposedly connect students and tutors, where students are asking questions and paying for the answers. You, as a tutor, might make some money. According to their dashboard, you might be able to make up to $100. But soon we will get to the details where you will see that it might be a little bit more difficult than it seems like. Just to give you a general overview about the SchoolSolver, the website was founded 10 years ago in 2014, so that seems like a legit platform. The SchoolSolver.com has stable organic traffic, and as of July 2024 they have about more than 100,000 visitors, so that's pretty good. They even have different sources of traffic, mostly coming from direct visitors. That means that the brand is well established. So let's go to the dashboard, and well, as you can see, there is like ads popping up. Let's say we want to answer this question regarding the engineering. What's your favorite color question? What's your favorite color? And now this is becoming a little bit strange. I mean, what kind of question is this? What's your favorite color question? And it's supposed to fall into the engineering category, and someone is willing to pay $100. Does it make sense to you? Because it doesn't to me. The largest mountain in the world is question. Another question falling into the category geography, someone willing to pay $10. And here is someone who is willing to pay $500 for this question. Anyhow. What is this? This doesn't make any sense. So does this seem like a legit website to you? Well, let's say I want to answer this question, which is not even a question. No answers yet. Add your answer. Again, add. So let's just pick one question and let's try to answer. Newton is the father of science and gravity. This is pretty annoying. Whenever you click on the link within the website, the ad pops up. And the website SchoolSolver.com, based on their organic traffic, they earn pretty good money by showing these ads. If you click on these ads, they probably make $1 to $2. Let's close it. Let's try to answer the question once again. Newton is father of science and gravity. And the question is, how is Newton? Answer: Newton is father of science and gravity. It seems that somebody already answered the question. So let's add our question. Again, the ad. Let's close it down. To answer the question, I must pass the following quizzes. SchoolSolver rules basic English. But it was regarding Newton, and I need to pass the basic English. Okay, let's access the quizzes. And here are the list of quizzes I can choose from. So let's say I wanna do the mathematics 1, and it is required to pay $5 to take the quiz, and it's gonna take 60 minutes. This is again pretty strange. Why would I pay for taking the quiz? I can just simply answer the question, right? Or they just try to take some money from me. But imagine that there are like hundreds of people in my position that would like to answer the question, and all of them would pay $5. And the student, whoever it is, would pick just one answer. So out of the 100 of the tutors, only one would get paid. And we have seen that there are a lot of visitors to this website, so the competition might be pretty high, I would say. But still, it somehow doesn't make sense. First of all, the questions are weird, and the way you are supposed to answer the questions are weird as well. Let's take a look at the answers, what other people say about the company. Well, based on their homepage, they're supposed to have about 94 reviews on Trustpilot. That's pretty much right. And the reviews are mixed up. Many of them seems like 5 stars, but if we take into the consideration that this guy gave 5 stars and he says this is good for everyone, or this guy says Trustpilot provides a valuable platform, this has nothing to do with this school solver. So I would take this 5 star with a grain of salt. Less than a day ago, this guy says it's a trap guide. This guy says should pay some dollars deposit for registering. That's quite annoying. I agree. Many 5 stars, but they're not related. Okay, this one probably it is. It's a scam site, don't waste your time. Took a quiz, earned 120. Try to take that out of the account. Scam alert. And I would say that it doesn't add to their credibility. As we know, the school solver has been established about 10 years ago. And what is also strange, if you want to contact them, they still use email address with a Gmail. That's not very professional for such a well-established website. And what I also found really strange is their terms of service page. As you can see, this is just a bunch of text, not structured, no nothing. I have already checked this, and this is like 10 pages of terms of service. Nobody will ever read it. The way this terms of service is done, that doesn't add to their credibility either. And one more thing I wanna show you. They claim that their brand is mentioned on the TechCrunch, Forbes, on all of these websites. Let me actually show you one trick. So let's assume that they are somewhere mentioned on the website called techcrunch.com. Let's go to techcrunch.com. When we want to find out whether a special term is mentioned on their domain, we just go to the domain name. Let's type in site:techcrunch.com. We can leave it as it is. And between the question marks, we type in the term we would like to find out within the website. Let's hit enter. And we see there is no school solver mentioned on the entire domain. Maybe it's mentioned without a space. No, it's not the case. And let me show you that this actually works. So let me go again to their website, techcrunch.com. And we want to find out something about Aravind Srinivas. Let's put the name in the question marks, enter, and we see that the Aravind Srinivas is mentioned a couple of times on the TechCrunch. How about Forbes? Aravind Srinivas is mentioned on the website forbes.com. Fair enough. How about School Silver? No, nothing. How about with the space in between? No, nothing. So that's a proof that they are not mentioned on these websites. And this, to me, my friends, this is a red flag. They claim something that is not true, and to me this is not trustworthy. On top of it, the probability of making money with the school solver is pretty low, as we have seen. So I wouldn't waste time with the school solver, and I would probably check some other platforms when it comes to earning money online. If you want to check my #1 personal recommendation, you can click on the link below, and you can test it out the platform. You can learn how to create your own website and how to drive organic traffic. You can even learn how to create YouTube shorts and leverage social media like Pinterest and others. This platform I'm just mentioning, it's called Wealthy Affiliate, and you can test it out for free. You just need your email address. So regarding the schoolsolver.com, I wouldn't invest any time in the platform just due to the issues I have just shared with you. So if you have questions regarding the school solver, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to provide you with the feedback. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.